Welcome to the all-new Manufacturing and Engineering Center, or MEC, located in Livonia, conveniently and strategically near Livonia's industrial strip. This facility will be the new home to 9 core programs. The MEC is the latest example of Schoolcraft College building with a purpose. We're adding space and facilities for skilled workers to enter careers that the marketplace is demanding. Altogether, we've doubled the space for these 9 programs, each of which provides a vital contribution to Michigan's economy. Let's hear a little bit more about our programs.
This building was designed and built for occupational programs. We've more than doubled our occupational square footage that we have. We can run more classes now. There's so much more opportunities that we can build on in this new facility.
I came to Schoolcraft because I was looking for a career change, and the faculty has been tremendous. They not only have a wealth of information in manufacturing, they've also taken a genuine interest in me and my career.
What makes Schoolcraft College Manufacturing Department stand out is our instructors. We have 40 years of instructional knowledge working in the real workplace that we pick up experience and the education that we can transfer over and teach our young students on what really goes on in the real world.
The best part of taking classes at Schoolcraft is that the teachers are always so helpful. You can always reach out to them anytime, and they're willing to do whatever they can for you to help you, support you, and get you moving forward.
The class sizes are small here at Schoolcraft College. That way we get to know each and every individual student. It helps them achieve their personal goals.
I can't believe how much knowledge the faculty and other students bring to the program. I'm learning so much.
You guys got to get out here. We are going to be one of the largest welding facilities in Michigan, and if you guys want to learn how to weld, you got to get down here. We have 34 workstations, multi-processes, we have brand new technology, we have mixing gas, we actually mix our own gases now. So one day you'll be welding with one mixture, the next day we'll change it up altogether. You're going to learn all the science involved with welding, and we can guarantee you employment. So there's so many opportunities in the field of welding. It depends on where that student wants to take it. You can go into the union, you can go underwater, you can be a certified welding inspector, you have a certified welding educator. So it all depends on how far they want to take the career.
I chose welding because it's a great program. There's always jobs available. There are obviously welding robots, but there are certain aspects of this job that robots can't do. You need people that are skilled, and this is the place to come.
The CAD program in Schoolcraft College is special because we have dedicated instructors in the engineering and CAD fields, and we offer the learning of manufacturing software like CATIA, V5, NX, and SolidWorks. You learn GD&T, which normally is not offered at other schools. Toyota, Chrysler, GM, they all have design departments that needs parts designed. You don't just keep reusing the old parts over and over, you get new parts designed in. So even at home, your refrigerators, there's a bunch of parts in the refrigerator that has to be redefined, redeveloped, and you use CAD to develop those parts. If you want to see how the interaction with a 3D printer happens with something that you design, we are welcome to, if it's a coursework, gladly 3D print your object that you're working on. So for example, up in the screen is a bolt, a 3D design bolt through CATIA, and we can make or 3D print that bolt and even a matching nut if you want, or any product.
Okay, well, the uniqueness of our program here at Schoolcraft College, the plastic technology program, is the fact that a lot of schools have welding, a lot of schools have metal machining, they'll have CAD. Not too many schools actually have a plastics technology program where we teach the students how to get from pellets like this to finished automotive parts, even bottles that you drink out of. It's a unique situation, again, having that together with all the other aspects of the plastics technology programs. So students taking this program that include plastics technology have a lot of opportunities out there today. You can start off as technicians, you can start off as engineers, you can start off as supervisors, all depends on how far you get into the program. We've been told that two-year college degrees like we offer here actually gets you a very good job in the industry today. You can do that or take some courses here, transfer to another college to get a 4-year degree in plastics technology and really make a lot of money as an engineer.
So as you can see, some very robust growth and opportunities in these fields, which we're glad to support with the all-new Manufacturing and Engineering Center. Our faculty does a great job in 3 areas. Of course, teaching in the classroom, but also relating the real-world experiences to students to help them understand what it's really like. And finally, most importantly, connecting them to potential employers as they graduate. We hope you found this interesting and we look forward to seeing you on our campus. Thanks for watching.